97.9 WSPT, Wisconsin's greatest hits. I've got a special guest in the studio with me. I've got Staci Sova, who's a nurse practitioner over at Noble Community Clinics. Good morning, Staci. What are we talking about today?
Good morning. We are talking about cancer screenings and the importance of going for your annual exams.
Excellent. And what are some of the key points of doing that? Or when should a person go in?
So everybody should go in once a year with their primary care provider. At that visit, we do ask certain questions to determine certain risk factors for screenings for cancers. It also depends on your age. Women and all patients, like I said, should go in for annual exams. Specifically talking women's health, since it is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, we do recommend screening for cervical cancer, and we do that by doing pap smears. That starts at age 21, and then it's every 3 to 5 years, depending on your age. And again, risk factors and also regards to previous results. If it is abnormal, then we do screen more often. In regards to breast cancer screening, we recommend starting at age 40. Although if there is a family history, we do start earlier. So it is important, again, to start every year screening as an adult. We screen every year or every 2 years, depending on the type of mammogram that we complete each year.
So, and then there's also self-screening.
There is. Doing breast self-exams, that's essential. We recommend doing that at least once a month. Should be about the same time each month because it depends on your cycle, will determine like how the breast tissue feels.
And then what would be possible alarms of to get a person to want to go in sooner?
So anytime you find anything that's abnormal, please get in. The sooner we diagnose it, the easier it is to possibly treat it and cure it.
Excellent. We've been talking with Staci Sova from Noble Community Clinics, and she's a nurse practitioner over there, and bringing you news you can use. And like I had said when I got my gallbladder out, if you feel a little off, go in and get it checked out. 97.9 WSPT, Wisconsin's greatest hits.